the building was just still alive, you know. It just still had a heartbeat. We've had people tell us that they can see the blood, sweat, and tears, you know, you can see it here. My name is Hulda Reichenbach, and I am president of the Park Theatre Civic Center in North Vernon, Indiana.
Hi, how are you, kiddo?
I went here when I was quite young. I went here in the 40s when I was a teenager during the World War II years. In 1962, the theater closed as a movie theater, and it became a warehouse. A group of us decided that we ought to try to save this old historic theater.
They're doing a good job with this play, too. For 20 years, hasn't it? You've been working on this since I was down at the country club.
Bite your tongue, bite your tongue.
And it's great to see the old theater restored, and she did the most work in getting the contributions and everything for the restoration.
Don't know what to say. It's so great for us.
Okay. Completely sold out. 3 shows completely sold out. Yes. But we've had a year of great live things. The plays, the music, you know, all this stuff. We've had political forums, talent shows, Broadway shows, hometown spun, everything like that. And when we first opened, just hear the music coming from the stage. We showed Gone with the Wind. It was our first movie a month ago. I can't even put into words what that meant. Hi, come on through. Are you enjoying Christmas Story? Huh?
Hulda, Reichenbach, and Bill are so instrumental in this place. They are the Park Theater. They have certainly added their time, and they have contributed everything that this place has.
They're the best seats in the house for a band.
It's not for me, you know. I hope I can enjoy it 20 more years. Only 77, you know. You know, I never was discouraged or thought about giving up, you know, or anything. I have to admit to all that. Anytime that you have something that you know in your heart that needs to be done, whether it's an old theater or what it is, don't ever hesitate. Don't be afraid. I had no idea how long it'd take us. I just knew it would be done.